Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn daily use sentences. I like both. मुझे दोनों पसंद है. I like both. Control your tongue. अपनी जीभ पर नियंत्रण रखें. Control your tongue. He was stammering. वह हकला रहा था. He was stammering. Just a little more. बस थोड़ा सा और. Just a little more. He is on the way. वह रास्ते में है. He is on the way. What happened to him after I left? मेरे जाने के बाद उसका क्या हुआ? What happened to him after I left? He doesn't want to get married right now. वह अभी शादी नहीं करना चाहता. He doesn't want to get married right now. I am in no hurry to get married either. मुझे शादी की भी कोई जल्दी नहीं है. I am in no hurry to get married either. Why are you all beating him? तुम सब उसे क्यों पीट रहे हो? Why are you all beating him? We caught him stealing money. हमने उसे पैसे चुराते हुए पकड़ लिया. We caught him stealing money. Don't you feel ashamed to do such things? तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती ऐसे काम करते हुए? Don't you feel ashamed to do such things? I still love you as much as before. मैं अब भी तुमसे उतना ही प्यार करती हूँ जितना पहले करती थी. I still love you as much as before. Hardly a day passes that I don't think of you. शायद ही कोई दिन गुजरता हो जब मैं तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं सोचती. Hardly a day passes that I don't think of you. Sorry if I cause you any trouble. यदि मैंने आपको कोई कष्ट पहुंचाया हो तो क्षमा करें. Sorry if I caused you any trouble. I am not used to talking nonsense. मुझे बेकार की बातें करने की आदत नहीं है. I am not used to talking nonsense. Do whatever comes to you your mind. जो मन में आए वो करो. Do whatever comes to your mind. I put my condition. मैंने अपनी शर्त रखी. I put my condition. I was feeling pity for him. मुझे उस पर दया आ रही थी. I was feeling pity for him. I did as you said. मैंने वैसा ही किया जैसा आपने कहा था. I did as you said. I never paid attention to it. मैंने कभी इस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया. I never paid attention to it. I have nothing to say in this regard. इस संबंध में मुझे कुछ भी नहीं कहना है. I have nothing to say in this regard. I have made up my mind. मैंने अपना मन बना लिया है. I have made up my mind. It's your misunderstanding. यह आपकी गलतफहमी है. It's your misunderstanding. What are you looking for? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? It split my mind. इससे मेरा दिमाग फिसल गया. It slipped my mind. No, what's left to say? अब कहने को क्या बचा है? Now, what's left to say? Always accept your mistake. हमेशा अपनी गलती स्वीकार करें. Always accept your mistake. I am yours and will remain so. मैं तुम्हारा हूं और तुम्हारा ही रहूंगा. I am yours and will remain so. Just don't ever double me. बस मुझे कभी दोगुना मत करना. Just don't ever double me. He has been slept since morning. वह सुबह से सो रहा है. He has been slept since morning. Stop making fun of him. उसका मजाक उड़ाना बंद करो. Stop making fun of him. I like both. मुझे दोनों पसंद है. I like both. Don't leave me false hopes. मेरे लिए झूठी उम्मीदें मत छोड़ो. Don't leave me false hopes. I love you since childhood. मैं तुम्हें बचपन से ही प्यार करता हूँ. I love you since childhood. She is still doing the household chores. वह अभी भी घर का काम कर रही है. She is still doing the household chores. Why do you always stay online? आप हमेशा ऑनलाइन क्यों रहते हो? Why do you always stay online? His words have weight. उनकी बातों में दम है. His words have weight. How can he talk to me like that? वह मुझसे इस तरह कैसे बात कर सकता है? How can he talk to me like that? I am forced to do so. मैं ऐसा करने के लिए मजबूर था. I am forced to do so. I am tired to just standing here. मैं यहाँ खड़े खड़े थक गया हूँ. I am tired to just standing here. Are you in trouble? क्या आप परेशानी में है? Are you in trouble? Why didn't you tell me all this before? तुमने मुझे ये सबसे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me all this before? Why are you jealousy for his success? आप उसकी सफलता से क्यों ईर्ष्या करते हो? Why are you jealousy for his success? Don't ask me anything about this matter. इस विषय में मुझसे कुछ मत पूछो. Don't ask me anything about this matter. Someone has misguided you. किसी ने तुम्हें गुमराह किया है. Someone has misguided you. The matter has become serious now. मामला अब गंभीर हो गया है. The matter has become serious now. I am asking you something. मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking you something. It's no use talking to you. आपसे बात करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. It's no use talking to you. I am feeling very helpless. मैं बहुत असहाय महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I am feeling very helpless. Give me some time to think. मुझे सोचने के लिए कुछ समय दीजिए. Give me some time to think. Don't waste your time. अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your time. Think whatever you want. जो चाहो सोचो. Think whatever you want. You can't run away from the truth. आप सच्चाई से भाग नहीं सकते. You can't run away from the truth. What have you prepared in dinner tonight? आज रात के खाने में आपने क्या बनाया है? What have you prepared in dinner tonight? I was teaching how you drive a car. मैं कार चलाना सिखा रहा हूँ. I was teaching how to drive a car. Where are you going at this hour? तुम इस समय कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going at this hour? Don't depend on others. दूसरों पर निर्भर न रहो. Don't depend on others. I don't know anything more than this. इससे ज्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं जानता. I don't know anything more than this. I believe in myself. मैं खुद में विश्वास करती हूँ. I believe in myself. I felt like slapping him. मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे मैं उसे थप्पड़ मार दूं. I felt like slapping him. Don't look at me like this. मुझे इस तरह मत देखो. Don't look at me like this. Who is he and what does he want? वह कौन है और क्या चाहता है? Who is he and what does he want? Now you can leave from here. अब आप यहाँ से जा सकते हैं. Now you can leave from here. Bring a glass of water for me. मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लेकर आओ. Bring a glass of water for me. Try it on. पहन कर देखो. Try it on. It's very clear. वह बहुत स्पष्ट है. It's very clear. Choose wisely. बुद्धिमानी से चुने. Choose wisely. People are watching. लोग देख रहे हैं. People are watching. What do you think? आप क्या सोचते हैं? What do you think? Cut down on tea. चाय का सेवन कम करो. Cut down on tea. Let me have one. मुझे एक लेने दो. Let me have one. I don't have anything. मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. I don't have anything. I am go to. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am go to. I wish I was there. काश मैं वहाँ होता. I wish I was there. My hands are wet. मेरे हाथ गीले हैं. My hands are wet. Why are you late? तुम्हें देरी क्यों हुई? Why are you late? Don't be smart. होशियार मत बनो. Don't be smart. What is going on? क्या हो रहा है? What is going on? How much is this phone? ये फोन कितने का है? How much is this phone? Let everyone come. सबको आने दो. Let everyone come. Don't make me angry. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. What are you looking for? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? Do ever listen to me? कभी तो मेरी बात सुनो. Do ever listen to me? Never think so. ऐसा कभी मत सोचो. Never think so. It was him who had eaten. इसी ने ही खाया था. It was him who had eaten. Get your hair cut. अपना बाल कटवा लो. Get your hair cut. What's your intention? आपका इरादा क्या है? What's your intention? Don't get into his work. इसके काम में मत पड़ो. Don't get into his work. Don't laugh at others. दूसरों पर मत हंसो. Don't laugh at others. Why should I listen to you? मुझे तुम्हारी बात क्यों सुननी चाहिए? Why should I listen to you? It is the topic of concern. यह चिंता का विषय है. It is the topic of concern. Is your health all right? क्या आपका स्वास्थ्य ठीक है? Is your health all right? You are very forget. तुम बहुत भुलक्कड़ हो। यू आर वेरी फॉरगेट। टेक अ बाइट ऑफ दिस। इसका एक टुकड़ा खाओ। टेक अ बाइट ऑफ दिस। यू डिड वंडर्स। आपने तो कमाल कर दिया। यू डिड वंडर्स। थैंक्स फॉर दिस रिस्पेक्ट। इस सम्मान के लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक्स फॉर दिस रिस्पेक्ट। आर योर हैंड्स डर्टी। क्या आपके हाथ गंदे हैं? आर योर हैंड्स डर्टी? वेल डन, कीप इट अप। शाबाश, इसे जारी रखो। वेल डन, कीप इट अप। मूव अ बीट फ्रॉम हियर। यहां से थोड़ा हटो। फ्रॉम मूव अ बाइट फ्रॉम हियर। नाइस टू वॉक टॉक टू यू। आपसे बात करके अच्छा लगा। नाइस टू टॉक टू यू। Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.